How to withdraw money from Candy Crush Saga. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how we can withdraw money from Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. For that, if you have money available in Candy Crush Saga and you wanna purchase, refund or withdraw it, you can follow up this process. So head over to the available app store of your device, for example, Play Store if you're on Android, and you can just go ahead and tap on your account at the top right corner of your screen. After that, go to your payments and subscriptions, and you'll be finding this menu up here. So go to budget and history, the third one right here, and you'll be finding here the track of your budget. So if you have any budget from your Candy Crush Saga, you'll be finding it right here. So you just need to go ahead and redeem it. You can contact the Candy Crush Saga in order to withdraw the money from them, or you can also refund from that section. And therefore, that is it. That is how you can withdraw money from the Candy Crush Saga by following up the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.